Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. And today we're going to talk about something really, really new to me, and it is called the Fire TV Stick 4K from Amazon. That's right. And let's take a look at this. We're going to do a semi unboxing. Right. Let's see if y'all can see that right there. All right. Now, what's included in this, all right, is of course the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, all right, and the Alexa voice remote third generation. Okay. Also comes, which is kind of cool. I like that about this. It comes with two AAA batteries, a power adapter, okay, and a USB cord. So, okay. Now, it also comes with the HDMI extendable cable, which is important, so you don't have to go out and buy one. Okay, and with this, you can watch all your favorite shows, free and paid channels, Netflix, Hulu, etc. All right, so let's open this sucker up. And thanks, Robin. Awesome Christmas gift. I think my homie was telling me I need to upgrade some of my tech and get back into the real world. Okay, and as you know, I have a Roku. Now, something I also want to tell you: anytime you're using hands, you can use hands-free devices like this, or even like the Fire tablet. You know, um, anytime you can use hand-free devices of any type, where you can use your voice. Remember, that device is always listening to you. Okay, that device is always listening to you because it has to always listen to you so it can pick up on the keyword that's letting it know that you need something from it. Okay, remember that because I know you have some privacy conspiracy buffs out there that would really, really like to know that before they buy a product. That's any hands-free item. Okay. Now, as I stated, let's open this. Forgive me if I sneeze. I do have allergies. It is spring up here, in the Western Hemisphere in the United States. I'm up here in Pennsylvania where we have a lot of trees, grass, and wildlife. And woo-wee. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Let's open that up real quick. Okay. Very nice. I like the way it's packed. Okay. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about here. I like the way they package this. It's compact, as you see, but it opens up to everything you need. Isn't that neat? That is so cool. How-to guide. Always good to keep that handy. Okay. Cable. HDMI. The power stick itself. Look at that. And it's kind of cool because it's not overly heavy, but you can tell it's sturdy. I like that. Okay. Power bank. Got the batteries in there. And look at that. Oh, there she is. Yeah. Shows you how to put the batteries in and everything like that. Okay. Still in this package. Got that fresh new smell. All right. And here's the stick. Kind of cool. Let me open that up real quick. behind the handy knife here. Nice, huh? Yep. And here's the sweet remote. And this already has some channels already pre-programmed into it, as you see. And this one has Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and of course, Prime Video already, integrated into this device, which is kind of cool. Because as I stated on some of my other videos, if you didn't hear, if you have EBT, SNAP, food stamps like that, you can get Prime for half price, okay? And usually around Prime Day, you can try Prime out for free. So you add that with this device, you're gonna be streaming. Okay, now I may do a review of this, no promises. I may do a review of this after I get it set up and try it out and everything like that, okay? And if I do, I'll let y'all know, all right? And that is my unboxing of the Fire Stick, the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. Nice. Well, Fire TV Stick 4K from Amazon. Correction. All right, and I should wrap to y'all later. Peace.